For those of you who are thinking of starting an online business, I decided to give you a list of tools you will need at every step of your journey. I will only look at the tools that are free. Most of these free apps have advanced capabilities that you have to pay for in order to use, but using the free version will also be worth it. I have narrowed them to 12, giving 2 for each step. So we shall look at the key steps that you have to follow while starting an online business. The most important is coming up with an idea. It is this idea that you will turn into a business. Success or failure is determined by the idea you generate, so having a good idea is a good starting point. But having a good idea is not the only thing needed, because the idea should be translated into a successful business. So to get you started in your journey of owning a successful business, we shall look at the tools that you can use to generate ideas that you can turn into a business. Thinking of an idea can be an excruciating task, and with some tools to guide you in this process, you can actually find it simple and enjoyable. The first tool that we shall look at to help you generate ideas is Claude AI by Anthropic. I know most of you may have heard of Claude AI, a large language model that was developed by Anthropic AI. Claude excels at many tasks, and you can use it to brainstorm ideas for an online business. The tool is free, but with a limited number of conversations or messages for the free version. But don't worry, you will have several messages available for you to generate several ideas. Being a language model and one of the best in the market, you can have an interactive conversation with the model, which might prove to be beneficial. At times you will not recognize that you are talking to an AI because of how good it is. The second tool we shall look at here is ChatGPT from OpenAI. If you are not living under a rock, I'm pretty sure you have heard of ChatGPT. It is by far the most popular AI tool in the market currently, and with the recent release of GPT-4o, it works out perfectly well. Using a large language model is a good way of brainstorming, but don't forget to use your brain. AI models with their current abilities are prone to making mistakes, so take time and think about the ideas generated by these language models. Other language models that you can use to generate ideas for an online business include Perplexity, Gemini, and Llama 3, among others. After narrowing down the idea you wish to turn into an online business, the next step is to have an online presence through a website from where most of your business will be conducted. A few years ago, you would have to hire someone or an organization to design and develop a website for you, and that would probably cost you some bucks. But we are in 2024, and AI is everywhere, making life simple for all and harder for a few. The first web development AI tool we shall look at is Framer AI. Framer AI is a free-to-use tool that helps you design and build your website from start to finish without much experience in web development. It comes with templates that you can choose from if you suck at design like me, and a collection of other tools that makes your work easier. Honestly, within a few minutes to a few hours, you will have your website ready to launch. With an active support team, you will be able to get help as you continue with your work seamlessly. The second website development AI tool you can use is Dora AI. It is a great tool that generates you a web design in a single prompt. Of course, for a better product, you will want to have the prompt accurate. But don't worry, because you can always edit the few things that you feel are not according to your taste. The tool is free and leaves you with no excuse as to why you have not started the online business you want to start. Well, you have now a business idea and a website ready to go. But you need content generated for your website. No matter how good it looks, you will want it to say something that explains why it exists in the first place and the benefit it has on its visitor. So you need content, but because we are in a lazy 2024 where AI works for us, you don't need to write the content yourself. Why would you when we have so many free AI content generators? The first AI tool that can be of great help when writing content, whether for your website or your social media, is Copymate. A free tool that helps you write content with search engine optimization in mind or in weights. In just minutes, you can write articles that help express what you want to do and takes into consideration the language that will give it a better ranking online. The second writing tool we shall look at is Jasper AI. Jasper is the AI platform that helps scale up marketing content like blog articles, social media posts, sales emails, and more. It makes blog post writing easy with AI-powered writing, editing, and even optimization. It also helps with SEO optimization, giving you much-needed traffic to your website. Other writing tools include Grammarly, Longshot, and TextBlaze, among others. After writing the content that you need an AI chatbot to help with customer engagement. Remember, we are in 2024, and since we want to start a business without much cost, we can hire an AI chatbot that doesn't charge rather than a human being that will cost you dollars. So what free chatbots are available in the market to help you communicate seamlessly with your customers? The first AI-powered chatbot we look at is Chatbase. Chatbase is a free AI tool that allows you to build your own custom chatbot and integrate it with your online business. It allows you to build a chatbot that is to your liking, and you fine-tune it with your data to make it more accurate. You can customize it according to your preferences as well as integrate it into your website very easily. You can also integrate it with other tools such as Slack, WhatsApp, and Zapier. The second chatbot tool we look at is SiteGPT. Another amazing AI tool that is free to use when you need to build a chatbot that you can use on your business to engage with customers and answer frequently asked questions. It's like having ChatGPT specifically for your website. Instantly answer your visitors' questions with a personalized chatbot trained on your website content. Other chatbot building AI apps include ChatSimple and CustomGPT. Now your business is coming up well and nicely, but we need to have good graphics to do promotions. You need to create designs that are attractive and pass on the message to potential customers about what you are offering them. Remember, visuals are a big part of your marketing. The first free and AI-powered design tool we look at is Canva. This is probably the most used design tool by people who are not graphics designers. Canva is also my go-to app when designing any graphic-related content. It has templates available to choose from and available for all social media content. You can use Canva to create any design you want, such as logos, posters, social media campaigns, and all visual-related materials you need. The second design tool you can use is ClipDrop. Just like Canva, it is free and easy to use for people without graphics design experience. It is powered by AI and can do several things related to visual content such as image editing, image to text, and even sketch to image. It is a great tool and free to use. The previous two tools we have talked about work well with images even though they have video design abilities. But since we are in 2024, we want images generated by AI. Why bother running around with cameras anymore? I think even phones might start getting shipped without cameras. Anyway, video generation is picking up the pace, and there are tools that can help augment your creativity. The first video generation tool you will need is Runway ML Gen 3 model. Recently released, it has caught the attention of most people and has amazing visuals. Gen 3 is a paid-for tool but still offers limited use to free users. It is a tool that seems to understand the physics of the physical world and provides video clips that are consistent and clear. So start working on your prompting skills because that is what we need in 2024. Alright, the final tool we are looking at is Luma AI from Luma Labs. Luma AI is like Runway ML, and these two have been competing for attention recently on social media. Luma AI, like its Runway ML counterpart, allows limited use to non-paying users. Other video generation AI tools include HeyGen, Sora, which is not yet released to the public, and InVideo, among others. These are 12 tools that you can use to start an online business. All of them have free versions, so you won't have to worry about them dollars. All you need is determination and these free AI tools, and after a while, your business might be successful. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, you can ask in the comments section.